Hey guys, how you doing? King Superman here. Welcome back to playing games with my dog. So yes, it is finally returned. I know it's been a while, like 2 months or something, but we are back. Here is Poppy, and we'll get ready for round 1. Alright guys, so we're ready for round 1. Poppy, start in 3, 2, 1, go. Hey guys, my computer desk is here now, so I'm just showing that here. Let me get my torch. Is it? Oh, it's still working. Yeah, computer's just right here, and that's my Steam controller. Well, it's not a Steam controller, it's a PS4 controller, but it's what I use for Steam, so pretty cool. But away goes Poppy. Try and set it up here. Trying to move stuff up there. Got 2 more left. I think she enjoys this game the most. Okay, 1 more. There you go, good girl. Alright guys, so now we're going to get set up for round 2. Alright guys, we're ready for round 2 with the bone. Poppy starting 3, 2, 1, go. Come on. Come on. In bone. Here you go, you got 1. Careful, Poppy. Go on there. And guys, let me know down in the comments for a future video if I should use a drone, because I think that would be a really cool drone video, and if I did, I'd probably use it in Fetcher my dog. There's still some in there. I'll try and scrunch them up a bit more in there. Wait 1 sec guys. She just got the last one out. That's a good little girl right there. So let's get set up for the final round. Alright guys, so we're set up for round 3. Poppy, you can come round here now. Okay, so we'll start in 3, 2, 1, go. In the ball, Poppy. Come on, in that ball. Come on, you're in there. You're in here. Try and get some more. Oh. She just got it out. What a good little doggy you've been playing games with my dog returns. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.